I guess here 6 plus 2 is 8 square divided by 4 minus 3 times 2. Here 8 square is 64 divided by 4 minus 3 times 2. Here 64 divided by 4 is 16 minus 3 times 2. Here 16 minus 3 is 13 times 2. Here 13 times 2 is 26 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 26 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operations. Here 6 plus 2 is 8 square divided by 4 minus 3 times 2. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 8 square. Here 8 square is 64 divided by 4 minus 3 times 2. Here we have division, subtraction and multiplication. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 64 divided by 4. Here 64 divided by 4 is 16 minus 3 times 2. Here we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than the subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this subtraction. Here 16 minus 3 times 2 is 6. Here 16 minus 6 is 10 is the correct answer.